Alright, here's a video from 1995. Shred Fest. Ooh. Interesting collection of bands on there. It's got a little 5-minute interview mixed in with We Are Finding Who We Are. And I'll give you a close-up of that whole spiel at the end with a little bonus material. Enjoy.
It's a beautiful garden here. It's a church right over there behind us, and
an oasis of peace.
Yeah, amongst all the hustle and bustle in the late afternoon in London.
Yet to leave behind. Strength in numbers, all you need is two. Everyone's a winner, while still so many lose. We are finding who we are. We can see forever. We are finding who we are. We can see forever.
Being classified as a heavy metal band has its pros and cons. One thing, it was a place for us to come out of, a place for us to be where a certain part of the music industry would look and listen to us. On the other hand, sometimes when you go into a music store, you find King's X albums in the heavy metal section and they're not in the regular section, which I wish they were there.
I think in the beginning there may have been some of these ideas that we wanted to stay away from, you know, the Christian words and certain things that might bring about preconceived ideas. But I've never, you know, saw us as being a part of any of that, you know, the Christian industry things or a white metal band or any of that. We're just a band.
The thing they only tell me truly blew my mind.
We say what we feel, and that's who we are, and we've always been that.
Yeah, my desire has always been just to play rock music and to sing lyrics that are in my heart as any other band would do, sing about the things that they feel. The earth is so wonderfully made, and I believe it was created, and I think it was wonderfully made to always go on, you know, continually evolve and to clean itself up and keep replenishing itself. Whether humans are here or not, it will still do that, you know. So I just have to make the best of it and try my hardest to clean up the mess maybe that I've made, you know, and to help other people to see that they need to clean up their mess. But in the long run, you know, I'm very optimistic because it's going to go on without me.
I know it's been said so many times before. We can. I was blind, but now I see. We are
Finding Who We Are is just the idea of there's so much that goes on in the world. Jerry says there's a whole universe of knowledge out there. And it seems that the more I learn, the more I understand who I am.
I think that there's a universe within each one of us that is completely individual. And And that is what we're doing. We're finding out who each one of us are.
Forever is a mountain we've yet to climb. Tears are a part of what is yet to leave behind. Strength in numbers, all you need is two. Everyone's a winner, while still so many lose. The volume of emotion erupting in our souls. A quiet revelation quickly takes a hold. Patience is a virtue, but she won't always wait. Dissension is the tension, is what we learn to hate.
I think the master plan is for us to continue being who we are and doing what we do, and hopefully letting that grow and us finding out more who we are in all truth.
This is war, this is peace. Quiet roars of silent screams. It makes me think, it makes me deal with the situation. How do I feel? There's a war.